Hey guys, it's Girly Gamer here. Today we are in Sacramento. See the whole freaking valley. Look at everyone! Look at everyone! We're all in Sacramento and I'm recording a video.
Maybe it's Fresno.
I mean Fresno.
Okay.
No video girl.
You're a video girl now? Why? You wanna be
My
a
name is Girly Gamer.
you wanna be a journalist or something?
What?
Be a director.
Oh,
It's
movie
making
director.
your own script.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Come closer.
What time you get home?
You didn't cook it.
Oh.
That looks like
No, I
what you
cooked
call
it.
ham. That looks like the ham store.
Yep, just bye.